The front handle on your chainsaw helps you to control the saw and works with the chain brake to provide safety from a kickback. The design of the handle allows you to use the saw vertically when limbing and horizontally when felling. Most issues with the front handle are the result of an accident, like something falling on the saw or the saw being dropped. Replacing the front handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover, the bar, and the chain from the saw. You always want to make sure that you have the brake unlocked before removing the side cover. Now I can remove the top cover. Now remove the starter assembly from the saw. Now remove the air filter so I can access and remove the throttle linkage. The throttle linkage is held in place by this blue lever. To remove it, I'll use a small screwdriver to push it out and then pull it up. Now remove the front and rear handle assembly. It's held to the saw with 3 screws. Now I just give the engine a little twist. And slide it out of the handles. Now remove the front handle from the rear handle. There's a number of pieces that will need to transfer from the old handle over to the new handle. And I'll start with this front isolator mount. You'll notice that the isolator mount is rectangular. You want the tall side of the rectangle up and down. Next, this metal pin. And last, these 2 rubber isolators. Now I'll reinstall the front handle to the rear handle. Now I'll reinstall the engine assembly back into the handle assembly. Now I'll reinstall the throttle linkage. I thread it through this grommet and into the slot on the handle. Then I'll place it on the throttle plate and secure it with the blue lever. And I can reinstall the air filter. Now I'll reinstall the starter assembly. Now reinstall the top cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain.